white gummy and shit like that. Check them out. It's actually not too expensive and it's very, very good. I go through bottles of that shit, man. This one's fucking empty. I got one on the table ready to go. All right. So vert split. If you guys already have O's down and you're pushing them and you're ready to progress to vert tricks or vert splits, then let's do it. So you pop the O, you've got that down, you're pushing the O, you got a good circle, you know, about that big, about as big as your face. Alright, pop, boom, circle's there. You want to bring your hands up like you're praying on top of the O and pull it apart. You want to pull from 12 o'clock to 3 and 9 o'clock in an outward motion. Not like down, like around the O like that. You want to just pull it out to stretch the top of the O. And once the top of the O is stretched out, you reach in and give it a quick suck, just like that. Okay, and once you get to that point, you pull your head back and push in on the corners at 3 and 9 o'clock. So it'll be a pop, push, pull, suck, push, and you wanna push in and out onto the O so it pulls them apart. All right, let's do a couple so you guys can see what I mean. So if you notice there, I do it one-handed push. I've gotten used to getting a feel for where you want to put your hand into the vert split to split the O's apart. So then I'm ready behind it with my mod already grabbing it to fill the jelly on the bottom O. So basically, it's a pull, suck, push, and you're pushing into the very center where the O's are gonna collide and push away. You want to aim directly into that point right there. Just fucking poof, and then push your hands through that opening and it should pull them apart. If you find out that you're pushing it and when you pull it, the O pops, you probably have your hands too close to the O. Just pull them away a little bit. So like, that's your O, this is your hand that's pulling it. That's about how far away you are. You're like, I'm saying like that far, like almost a whole fucking 3 inches away from the O. And then push into it. I'll do another one. Boom. So pop, pull, suck, push into the middle, ball in. I'll do one from the side so you can get that view. Oh, no O to the camera. But you seen there, you pull it apart and you're pushing into the O to split them apart. If you guys have any questions, DM me, hit up my edits, check out my page, show me some love, and as always, fam, stay fucking cloudy.